One time, don't have been there, yes? So them two ring, and they had this ring, I'm married with.
Yeah.
But me now no husband no, so if you want me, get married to you.
Alright.
So anyway, the boy said to me, said, two boys said to me, said, cash the gold, mother. I said, if you have a fucking cook it, I'm look up with your boy. I'm a pass man and grab my hand. Grass. And me and him, me hold on under the finger, so me and him, and I try to dig out the ring them off from my finger. And he can't get them out.
Really? And how much that time?
86.
Yeah. 86?
Yes. And in the pin pocket. And take up a nice carving knife to come cut off my finger.
What?
Grass wood. And me draw that. Somebody again, me say, I kill a rat, and I tell someone I'm fucking hungry. And you know, you get any picnic yet? He said, no, mother. I say, well, you know, go get none again, you know. And you're going to yam on that table, you balance, you'll die. And I kill you. And me draw that again, you know. He said, mother, you're kill me. I say, I kill a rat. And I tell someone I'm fucking cooking, I'm not hungry. And me draw that again, the third time, I notice the boy. And every fucking thing come up in my hand, so. And in this drop down the ground. See your fuck, I'm not telling you, I kill your ass, man. I want man who wants to go to Simmons Plaza and give him one lick in my face. I don't know head and take off, you know. He said, what, I go call police for you? I said, no, pretty boy, I've seen that in dead in can't see that. You understand? The man give me $1,000, so I must take you to buy a drink for me to active for me yet.
86?
86.
And destroy a young boy?
2 young green boys.
Defeat them.
Ramp with me.
Defeat
But they want a ring?
Want me 2 rings. It's after my husband and it's after me. My husband passed out 2010.
It's any trouble to no man. Now my trade.
Why you trade? Oi. Why you trade?
Who walk look man?
Eh?
Who walk look man like you?
Back up, man. What's...
One
Oi.
way I go.
Valencia.
One way I go.
Wow. You
You,
can't do nothing.
you can't do nothing like us up. We can't do nothing like us up.
Me lick in your face, man.
I go to town and carry me bad man, them and shoot out the hood out of your trousers.
Shoot out the phone.
For you,
Yo.
I appear like you're bad man. I appear like me can't do nothing.
You can't do nothing at all, man.
Can't shut your ass
Chateau.
and kill your pussy hole.
Kilo.
No, you.
You're a fool, man. Me mash you up, man.
Mash me up which part of that and turn a day mountain.
What you mean?
Who for me all of them that town
Yeah.
and that foreign come over and come shoot out to put the wood.
Me have bad me shoot out for your ton.
Yeah, you and you near me when you done taking me milk. When you done you near me fight clean ya.
Yeah, what? You are clean.
Shut up your mouth man and stop keep no argument with me.
You are clean.
And you keep argument talking me say me want man to suck.
That's why.
And you want it to suck. Shut up your mouth.
That's why I don't want you again. Can you
That's
get
why me no want you neither. So I clean that suck the girl young girl them pussy mouth.
Yes, me have something like that.
Me see so. That's why you come face with me think me a pussy sucker.
Yeah, what?
A good sucker.